So far on the Arctic Blast, we down to the generator. No 50 amp. And it's really bad outside. When I say really bad, you can't breathe. Blow you down. They really will. So now pretty much we're getting into some 45, 50 mile an hour winds. It's getting, oh man, I've been through a lot, but I ain't been through this. Wow, man. Freaking real wild. Times are tough, but they ain't got nothing on me. These fellas out here done got off in a bind, ain't got no power at the campground, can't light that propane. That's why I'm glad I got me a diesel heater, but I do feel sorry for them. Hell, I'd let every one of them come in here, but I ain't gonna walk out there and tell them, you know that? It's too cold for that. Come on, knock on the door, you come up in here. So the guy in front of me told me he'd show me how to get to town. He's from the UP in Michigan. So this for him is just another day at the beach, but for me, I don't really fool with this. I'm gonna tell y'all what we did coming up here. We got in a real shit in the bag situation, you know that? I mean, straight up.